Do you want to see the future? Most people look at the price and see chaos. They see red candles, they see panic, they see total destruction. But I look at the shapes and see the truth. I knew it before it happened.
Welcome to the CapitalCraft Lab. Hey! Solving every glitch, putting cash on the map.
Professor, look at the volume. We are building the Empire State Building today.
Patience, Milo. Don't celebrate yet. That is just the first wave. The left shoulder.
Whoops, a little dip. Wait, is it crashing?
Oh, the floor is solid. Support holds. We are safe, Professor.
Now, the mania begins. Push it higher.
To the moon! No, to Mars!
Nothing can stop us. I can see the whole world from here.
Gravity always stops you, Milo. Here come the bears.
It's crushing! No! 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 Help! The support line. It held again. Whew.
It held for now.
I can still fix this. Just one more push.
It's too heavy. I can't reach the high score anymore.
Milo, look at the chart. We formed the head. Now the right shoulder fails. This red line is the neckline. If we break it, the trend is dead.
It's all gone!
And that, class, is a trend reversal. The neckline broke and the bears took over.
Ouch, that hurt my wallet. Subscribe so you don't crash like me. See ya!